Hi, Mr. Energy here. If you're like me, you might have pulled your snowblower out 2 days ago and couldn't get it started. I did everything. I took all these bolts off, I took all this covers off, took all this stuff off, couldn't figure it out, looked at the other YouTube videos, said here's how you take the carburetor apart, and it looks like it takes forever, and I was really discouraged that I couldn't get it started. Then talked to my neighbor across the street, Les, and he told me, hey, why don't you try this? Pull the spark plug wire off, like so. Take the spark plug out. Take some starting fluid. Spray it in the hole. Screw the spark plug back in. Push the spark plug wire back on to the spark plug. Turn it on. Oh, and off she goes. 7 degrees out. Colorado, 6 inches of snow. And I was able to clear my driveway thanks to my neighbor across the street. Have a good one and a great hack for getting your snowblower started if you can't get it started. Bye.